A very good morning to all my students and the staff members of CUSHA Institute of Science run by CU Ronak Foundation. It is my great pleasure to welcome all the participants today for the two-day web conference on biotechnology for an improved tomorrow, that is BIT 2020. Organized by the Department of Biotechnology of CUSHA Institute of Science. As we all know that in this COVID-19 pandemic, we are not able to come to college and are attending the online lectures.
Probiotics are defined as microorganisms that have a beneficial effect on the host intestinal microbial balance. Probiotics are living bacteria and yeast that provide health benefits when consumed in large amounts. Probiotics are often called good or helpful bacteria because they help keep our gut healthy. They can be taken as supplements or consumed naturally through fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and kombucha. Most probiotics are bacteria, which are small, single-celled organisms. There are many advantages and few disadvantages related to probiotics, such as it helps treating high cholesterol, hepatic diseases, and many more.
The title of our poster is Can We Talk to Our DNA? So, the 12 strands DNA activation means encoding to the 12 strands DNA sequence and entering into the photon belt with quantum activated chakra system. So, what is DNA activation? DNA activation is the process of intentionally altering your DNA's expression to enhance your consciousness, health, spiritual connection, and even the entire tapestry of your life. It's now estimated that 95% or more disease is driven environmentally rather than by heredity. So, our genes are overall highly malleable. We can also exploit this genoplasticity to garner health benefits and even help deepen our spiritual progress.
So, now let us know how DNA is activated. Most people know that DNA is the blueprint of.
My name is Mansi Katrotia and my topic name is CRISPR, a game changing genetic engineering. CRISPR means cluster regulatory interface short palindromic repeats. Here cluster means a number of things that same kind of growing together regularly with a constant. Interspace means a space between two things, and palindromic means with sequence that reads the same kind of backward as well as forward. So definition is CRISPR is a family of a DNA sequence found in the genome of a prokaryotic organism such as bacteria and archaea. These sequences are derived from DNA fragment of a bacteriophage that has previously infected the.
And my topic is intelligent food packaging. Now, what is packaging? Packaging is a system by which fresh produced or processed product will reach from the production center to ultimate consume in a safe and a sound condition at an affordable price. Now, type of packaging. There are 4 different types of packaging: aseptic packaging, modified atmosphere packaging, active packaging, and intelligent packaging. Now I would like to explain figure number 1. Here in first figure there is a food science and technology.
My topic is green and advanced बायोटेक्नोलॉजी. मतलब कि अब हम जानते हैं कि आजकल की एवरी फील्ड में बायोटेक्नोलॉजी की प्रोडक्ट और उसकी टेक्निक यूज होती है, बट वो उसके जो हमें प्रोडक्ट मिलती है उसके सामने ज्यादा को प्रोडक्ट भी मिलती है. उसकी वजह से जो वेस्ट होता है वो हमें पोल्यूशन बन के हमको ही डेंजर में डालता है. उसकी वजह से हमारी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन हो.
We are presenting a poster regarding to a marine biotechnology. Basically, our topic is oil spills and sludge management. So what is a oil spill? Oil spill is a contamination of a seawater due to an oil pour as a result of an accident or human error is termed an oil spill. And what is a sludge management? Sludge is a semi-solid slurry that can be produced from a range of industrial process from water treatment, wastewater treatment, or one-side sanitation. Let's talk about our poster. Management of oil spills and sludge is necessary because it has a both positive and negative impact on environment and human life. Its positive impact is that it
On DNA sequencing in bioinformatics. Let's see what is the definition of DNA sequencing in bioinformatics. DNA sequencing is the process of defining the nucleic acid sequence, the order of nucleotides in DNA. It includes any method or technology that is used to determine the order of the four bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. Let us look at the history of DNA sequencing.
The story of DNA begins when Watson and Crick discovered the structure of DNA